This video is about your control panel. So if you have a look, I'll explain all of these buttons to you. So centrally, we have the trackball, and then on either side, we have two keys that are lit up in orange. Both of these keys are your set keys or your update key. So you can use both, they will do the same thing. Over to the right, you have a big button with a blue snowflake on it. That is your freeze key. When it is blue, you are live and scanning. When you press it to freeze your image, it goes orange, and you'll know you're frozen. To the right of that, we have 3 user keys. Now these can be set up for anything, but typically I set them up such in a way that U1 is to take an image, U2 is to do a video clip, and U3 is TGC. And I'll press that for you, number 3, and your TGCs will pop up here, okay? We have a dual screen here, L and R for left and right, depth and focus at their toggles, so you'll use them that way, your zoom button, single screen, a quad screen, which can be used for various things, but typically for amniotic fluid index, 2D button, which will control your overall gain, color, which will bring up your color mode, PW, your spectral Doppler, PD is powered Doppler, and M mode for fetal heart rate. CW stands for continuous wave, and it's not going to be active on your machine unless you have a specific echo package. Looking at these other buttons here, this is for measuring, T is for text, and this button here, a lot of people will think that's for dual, but it's actually our change key, so we'll talk about that in a little bit. This arrow is your pointer, and this little guy is an eraser. Over here, there's 3 more user keys that we can set up to your liking. This button here is for your final report. This button here is to end your case. And then SonoView, we will also talk about that, but it's to review your images. We will move up to this in another segment.